Yeah, so we are in a newer coppice area. This was coppiced in 2015-16, so you can look at the map of compartments to identify where this is. And you can see nice young shoots growing from the stalks. And you can see how we protect it from here, like these young shoots, as very, very much. Those who came for conservation days probably took part in actually coppicing and know what is involved. But what you can see easily is how much light is in here. Now, for the coppiced areas, you need to use a random sampling approach. So you need to design the way of doing it. You might start somewhere in the middle of compartment because they are not very big, and you might decide that you need a random number for the number of steps and a random number to which direction, and that's how you can do your 5 quadrats. But you can refer to the slides on the design methods to help you with choosing how your group is going to do it. And if you just look at the ground flora, you can see a carpet of dog's mercury. That's what it really likes, newly open areas with lots of light. Now we are in old coppice. This compartment was coppiced in 2007 and 8, and I'm sure you can appreciate how different the ground flora is. So when you try to do abundances, and you do need to put abundances for every species in the quadrat in percentage, and percentage means percentage of the quadrat area. So it might be a bit difficult to estimate what it is, and then when there are fewer things in the quadrat, using something with the grid might make it useful. So here, 25 small quadrats out of 100, so 1 quadrat is 4%, so you can try to estimate like this lesser celandine. Probably they would be smaller than 1 quadrat, 1 small quadrat in this area. So you can estimate it will be probably about 4%. Definitely no more than 5. That's how you can approach estimating abundances.